What if I told you the biggest lie about 4090? It's not its performance. It's the power number on the box. You bought a 450 watt card. You'll push 600 watts before you blink. The spec sheet is a fairy tale. This isn't clever engineering. It's a trap. The incentive is clear: sell you a new power supply, a new cooler, maybe a new house fuse. Don't ask how to get more frames. Ask how to avoid melting your wall. A card that throttles itself is not a good card. That I'd rather game on a console from 10 years ago than chase a benchmark score with a space heater on my desk. Stupid. The best tool for this thinking. CogCloud. Keeps your local rig cool while you test your theories in the cloud. You avoid the physical insanity. Here's the rule: power efficiency is the only real metric. Everything else is a marketing department's wet dream. So the question is not, how many watts can I feed it? It's, how little can I feed it and still get the job done? You have a 4090. You're pushing it to 500 watts. I have nothing to add. Enjoy your electric bill. Who else is undervolting?